Welcome to my channel CA Academy, and today we are going to deal with a very important topic, that is Auditor's Assertions. Integrate with SA 315 and SA 330. Revenue manipulation, loan covenant breach, management bonus pressure. How do you connect all these under SA 315 and SA 330? Let's decode. Revenue increased by 40%. Loan covenant breached. Management bonus linked to profit. Now tell me, where is the risk? Today I'll show you how to connect Auditor's Assertions, SA 315 Risk Assessment, SA 330 Auditor's Response in one integrated case. First, understand this clearly. SA 315 identify the risk, SA 330 respond to risk, but what connects them, these two? Assertions. Without assertions, your answer becomes generic. With assertions, your answer becomes professional. Okay. Now we will understand what are the types of assertions. Okay. If the completeness assertions, for example, we can say sales amount contains all sales transactions. This is complete assertions. Occurrence assertions, the transaction took place and are valid. That is occurrence assertions. Then accounting assertions, the transactions have been properly accounted in accounting records. Okay. Then the fourth cutoff assertions, the transactions done in the accurate period. Okay. So these are the four types of assertions. Okay. Now let's jump into the case. Case introduction. Let's take a practical ICAI level case. Company infrastructure entity. Observations. Revenue recognized 65%, but physical completion is only 45%. Management bonus linked to EBI TDA. Loan covenant breached. Debtors include retention money. Management refuses confirmation. Now think like engagement partner. First question. There are two levels of risk. Financial statement level risk or assertion level risk. Is this financial statement level risk or assertion level risk? Financial statement level risk analysis. Let's do first that. Management bonus linked to EBI TDA. What does that indicate? Fraud risk factor? Pressure to inflate the revenue. This is financial statement level risk because it affects entire financial statements. Under SA 315, you assess risk of material misstatement, RMM, we say in short. So here, management is biased, incentive pressure is there, weak internal control, so risk level is high. When risk is high, SA 330 says increase professional skepticism, increase supervision, design stronger audit procedures. Now let's analyze the assertion level risk revenue portion. Now let's go deeper. Revenue recognized more than physical completion. Which assertions are at risk? Think occurrence, accuracy, cutoff risk, assertion or valuation. If project completion is only 45% but revenue 65%, possible overstatement? Now under SA 330, your response must directly address these assertions. Recalculate percentage of completion. Verify engineer certification. Perform site visit. Test cost to complete estimation. Perform cutoff testing. The flow should be from risk to assertion, then the procedure. This will fetch you some marks if you write in the way risk, then the assertion, then the procedures. Okay. Now next, what we have to analyze a loan covenant breach. Company breached covenant in March, but loan shows as non-current. Which assertion? Classification, presentation, completeness. If waiver not obtained before year end, loan must be classified as current. So what do? Inspect loan agreement, check waiver date, evaluate going concern impact. If misclassified, material misstatement. Then there is the case of refusal or debtor confirmation. Management refuses to confirmation. Danger signal, assertion at risk, existence, valuation. Under SA 330, if confirmation not allowed, perform alternative procedures. Subsequent receipts, invoice testing, delivery proof. If still insufficient evidence, possible modification of audit opinion has to be done. That's professional judgment. Significant risk identification we have to do. Now most important is this. Which area is significant risk? Revenue recognition. Why? Subjective estimation. Management incentive. High judgment is there. And direct impact on the profit. Under SA 315, significant risk requires special audit consideration. That line gives you the main importance point. Now In this case, when you are attempting any question, first identify the financial level risk, identify assertion level risk, state risk of material misstatement, mention if any significant risk is there not, design SA 330 responses. This structure will provide you an answer which will be of a professional type. Okay. So we can say audit is not checking numbers, audit is questioning management's hidden claims behind numbers. If you think that this is important, SA 315, SA 330, assertions have to be linked to give the answer. Thank you.